So yeah, it's the Christmas holiday and people are unboxing gifts, and yeah, I think like I need some gifts from my fans, and yeah, I have anything just to wait. It's time for unboxing the craziest tech gadgets that I've ever been given by my friends. Smoke mirrors. Oh god. Okay, so I got this little tiny box and I'm just going to open out and see all the crazy things which my fans have just gave me for free. And see, yeah, let's open up. Yeah, it's just a nice, pretty, solid box. No crazy stuff, but it's just a cardboard board wrapping out with some gifting plates, and I'm just going to mind it. So what do we have in the box? Yeah, it's a mouse, wireless mouse. Pretty like, not like, I think 50 bucks for it. It's crazy because it's a little white, and for those Christmas ride, I got some nice click on that, and I really don't know. Let's go and check it on the battery side. Whoa, it's coming in with the battery, and I think, where is the transmitter? Oh god, it's like the transmitter. Anyway, so let me just put it on, and we are just going to open the box. And what next? What the heck is in? And a stepper machine. Oh god, and it's a very pretty old stepper. I don't know what I'm going just to use it. Maybe I will just be using it for my just punching out my papers, and yeah, you know the function of steppers. Then you just crunching out and yeah, move all the key out. Okay, the next gadget in my box. What is that? That pretty nice fluffy paper. It's the smartphone. But it's crazy. It's just a well used smartphone, and it's even actually new. Let's check it out. Wow, a nice theme. A normal Android with nice rim bezels. It's the Chinese smartphone, and I'm just going to use it maybe for like 2 days or 1 day for just communication and all those great kind of stuff. Yeah, so that is in my box. Until the next time, go check.